plastic-based leather alternatives take about 100 to 500 years to decompose. Sit down everyone, because this is a very short history of fashion. Sustainability in fashion is quite the new concept actually. Traditionally, clothing was made locally, produced slowly, and worn intentionally. In the 1800s and early 1900s, a dress, for example, would be worn for 10 to 20 years. They were passed down, they were altered to bodies as you change. Today, on average, a piece of clothing is worn 7 to 10 times before it's discarded. 7 to 10 times. For t-shirts specifically, studies show that the average life cycle of a t-shirt is 2 to 3 years. If it's lower end in fast fashion, it's much less. The big shift actually came from mass production when we started being able to afford clothing because it was produced on a larger scale. To put it into perspective, a single t-shirt takes about 2,700 liters of water to be produced. That is about as much as a person drinks in 2 to 3 years. There are so many other materials that are harmful in different ways. For example, plastic-based leather alternatives take about 100 to 500 years to decompose. And even then it breaks down into microplastics and is never fully decomposed. Because of this shift, fashion has become one of the biggest contributors to overconsumption, pollution, and labor issues. Luckily, we're starting to see a little bit of a shift back to organic, sustainable materials, slower, more intentional consumption, but it's still such a long way to go. But I thought it'd be interesting to share and put into perspective.